Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by powering the console and getting online. First, position the Xbox where airflow is clear, then plug the power cable into a grounded outlet. Next, connect the HDMI to one cable to your TV. Once done, press the Xbox button to turn it on. You will be guided to choose language and region. Make sure to connect to your Wi-Fi and sign into your Microsoft account so your games, settings, and subscriptions sync immediately. After signing in, complete the setup prompts for time zone, privacy, and power options. Opt for Instant On if you want faster start times, or energy saving to reduce power draw. The console will often download a system update. Let it finish and allow automatic restarts, because updates optimize performance and fix bugs. While waiting, install the Xbox mobile app to pair quickly for remote installs and notifications. Doing this streamlines game sharing and controller pairing, so you can jump into gameplay faster. Now you're ready to play. Pair your controller by holding the sync button on the console and controller until they connect, and update controller firmware when prompted to ensure best performance. Install games from the store or insert discs and monitor storage. Move titles to an external drive if the internal SSD fills. If you encounter a black screen or no signal, restart the Xbox, confirm HDMI seating, or test another HDMI port or cable. If problems persist, reboot modem and router to rule out network issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.